Club, and we are doing the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge, and we're in episode number 65.
65?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are on episode number 65.
And we are doing the Sonic series.
Okay. So if you want to win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Club, Fun Learn Club, do not forget to stay till the end of the video, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. That's what you need to do to win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. So today, let's start with episode number 65, that is how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog from Sonic. Step-by-step drawing of Shadow the Hedgehog. Yeah? Let's get started. What we need is a
black Sharpie or black color pencil,
okay,
and some colors and a white paper.
Awesome. Let's get started.
Yeah. Oh.
So we start with the eyes.
Yeah. They're gonna be a little difficult. No, it's gonna be normal, average.
Yep. So, yeah.
Not very easy, not very difficult.
Here
Can you
is the
wait?
eyes.
Can you wait?
Okay.
I had to switch pens.
Right?
My Sharpie is not working.
That's the angry Sonic.
Looks like I brought in the old Sharpie.
Yeah. Now what we do next? Next we do the body.
This one.
Yes.
Can you read? I'm not even done with the
Okay.
mouth.
That's simple.
Straight line.
Yes.
Looks like he's stepping on something. Can you wait?
Okay. Yeah. Now we make the shoes that are a little different in shape.
That's true. Can I get a little view of that?
Sure.
It's a little complicated.
That's a weird shape of the shoes.
Yeah. Because Shadow is very, very fast.
Is it?
Yep.
Okay, is that the reason why he has such weird shoes?
Yep.
Okay.
But
right.
Sonic has simple shoes. He is almost related to humans.
Mm-hmm.
I think, but still, Sonic is the fastest,
Okay.
and Knuckles is the strongest,
Okay.
and Tails is the
Mhm.
smartest.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, my shoes are done. You are done?
No, almost. But
Okay.
hey,
Next we do the hands, okay?
I'm getting confused with this part.
Just give it to me. So this is over here. A little bit of mistakes done over here.
Not looking nice.
No, it's okay.
I have an extra paper.
No, it's okay. Don't start from scratch. It's okay. It's okay.
Now it's even faster.
Yeah. Now we do the hands.
Can I see it?
Sure.
From there.
Okay.
This is gloves, I think. Again, but this is real hand. I don't understand why do hedgehogs have so weird hands.
That's looking bad.
Why?
Okay, let's continue. And now the most exciting part of Sonic, that is,
Can you wait?
okay, let's wait for Pariksha.
This hand is a little confusing. And I didn't make it nice. Oh no, his hand is like this.
Yeah. Move your hand, move your hand.
This hand is a little confusing, I would say.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers.
What? You actually make 6 in yours also?
I made 6 fingers in mine also.
But he has 5.
Yeah. 1 finger came by mistake. Okay, let's continue.
But if you mess the hairs up, the whole drawing is messed up. I would say. The hairs are not good.
A little goof up has happened over here also.
What?
A little.
What happened? What go for?
Not very evident, but yeah. We are done.
Yeah. Oh.
You're done. Should we start coloring?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
I'm taking the black.
I'll be needing the gray. We don't need black. We don't need black.
Gray.
Yeah.
It looks like gray. I think Sonic is. I think Shadow is gray. That's why I name it shadow. Shadows are grey. But I mean black. It doesn't look nice. Yeah, but it will blend in with all of those, so I'll go with grey. I don't know what to think. You have light grey, I have dark grey.
You can use the darker one. Parikshit, where are we?
Yeah. What?
Do you have the skin color? It
Yeah.
must be in this one.
I have in here. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have it here.
And if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get good luck for the next week. I promise.
Okay.
But if you do any naughtiness, maybe not.
Maybe not. That's what Parikshit has to say. That's what Parikshit has to warn. Parikshit, do it fast. I'm done.
What? Huh? In the face.
Give it to me. I'll do it quickly for you.
How are you so fast?
Because when I do the work, I concentrate on the work.
Finally, my drawing is looking like a drawing. This is actually looking like shadow. Yeah. Oh, yours is not. I actually would say. Oh, I forgot to make one thing. This thing.
It's okay. I'll make it. Don't worry. Tell me, how will I make it?
How? I know. By not coloring it. You already. How? I didn't even see you make it. Huh? How did you do it?
With the color.
So how did you? I didn't even see you make it.
Because you were busy doing something else.
What is even this? waiting for Sonic the Hedgehog 3. Oh.
Yellow color.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I got reminded of. Oh. Guys, look at one magic. 3, 2, 1. One fell, but the others won't.
Quick. We are almost done.
Oh, now it's falling. Done.
You missed on a lot of things.
Yeah.
You missed on the ears.
Why?
You missed on a lot of things.
I haven't done a lot of things, only one thing.
So this was episode number 65 of the 6 minutes 100
100
days
days
challenge.
challenge.
I hope you're enjoying this, and if you also did draw with us, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. See you in the next drawing. Have a great and a wonderful day.
Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.